Hello everyone, Stihl with Dell's Lawn Care. With every lawn care business that deals with hot and cold, there's always different ways to handle each situation. I spend a lot of time in my garage doing multiple things all season long, between cleaning mowers. In the wintertime I try to sharpen all the blades and do the maintenance. I also like to come out here and do Instagram Live. And I've used multiple heaters. I've bought at least 5 different style heaters that I can think of, 6 different heaters if you count this one, from the local Home Depot. Now, I was reading all the reviews, and this one here, the DuraHeat, had the best reviews. Now, don't mistake this DuraHeat to the old ones. The old ones were smelly, nasty, and these ones here, I haven't opened the box, but I have recently used one of these that my friend has, and that's what made me go buy it and also do a video with you guys. So we got 23,800 BTUs. It heats about 1,000 square feet. It's got 1.9 gallon tank. It will last between 9 and 12 hours on one tank. Also, it takes 6 C batteries, excuse me. With this, there's a few options. We'll open it up. I'll show you what comes in it. But you can buy like the berry additive to make your kerosene heater smell fruity. Also, for cleaner, better air, I bought this in a gallon. I might, in 2.5 gallons to be exact. I might purchase a Can kerosene gas can, because this here was $43 for 5 gallons. Our local store for $3.12 sells K1 kerosene, 1K kerosene, for $3.19, I believe the sign said this morning, $3.12. Huge difference in price, but it's cleaner. They say you can use this heater in the house. It's safe to breathe it. It's not like the old ones. So this is what we have. After the 5 gallons, I'll decide if I want to do the Can. Also, we'll see how well that actually works as far as the smell. Does it make the garage smell kind of fruity? Yes, it's a garage, but it doesn't hurt to have incense and enjoy the fresh air when you're working in the garage. In my opinion, it doesn't hurt. With this, we have 2 C batteries, a couple screws, cardboard, styrofoam, a piece that doesn't want to come out of the cardboard, transfer squeeze pump. I thought this said that it took 4 C batteries. However, I don't see it on here, so I don't know where I got that from. So I'm not going to edit this out of my video because I like to keep it honest. It doesn't say how many batteries. I thought for sure it did. going to remove this styrofoam. Again, this is the first heater of this style I have owned. So I will walk through this process as I learn, because I don't know what I'm doing at the current moment other than attempting to put this together. Without reading the instructions. You got a bottom hole and a top hole. Spread it out. Put it in each hole. Put it in the top hole, bottom hole. However, I will open this up like a typical man. Let's keep this honest, guys. I'm going to look at pictures. I don't recall in my whole life reading instructions. Okay, so we have it together. Put this in this side. Possibly. And possibly not. Goes into the hole here so you can carry it. Very simple. Going to lift it, turn it, open the battery door. It only takes 2 C batteries. And there you have it. Okay, so we're going to fuel it the best we can. I'm not going to use the hose. We are going to use a 1/2 ounce to 5 gallons before fueling the kerosene. I'm going to eyeball it. Use a funnel to a very small hole. Going to put our cat back on. Remove the fuel. Okay everyone, so part of preparation here and putting this all together is you have to let this wick soak for 60 minutes or longer. After I filled it, I did stop the camera. I took this little sticker off here and I let the wick soak. And how to do that is you go all the way up. You can hit that, it goes down. So when you want to light it, you go like that. You make sure that your wick is not more than 1/2 to 3/4 inch. You push the lever down until it ignites all the way around. Let it down. Close the door. Now with a heater like this, they recommend you check it, every hour or so, every half hour to an hour. Make sure that it's burning. You don't want too much wick, you don't want too little. In order to shut this off, all you have to do is push this button. Now, while I was waiting the 60 minutes, I went ahead and I put the 2 screws in to hold the top. Now I can already feel the heat. It's pretty hot here. Again, I picked this heater because it doesn't smell and it puts off a lot of heat. For just the garage, we're under 500 square feet. This is designed for 1,000, so this is more than I need. I've been using the Mr. Heater, and those work, but this is a little better in my eyes and smells less. So, thanks everybody for watching Dell's Lawn Care and another product here that we use to stay warm in the wintertime. And as always, you have a marvelous day.